A world where technology and nature coexist harmoniously. Today, we explore the innovations that empower life on land. The challenge is clear. How do we protect our ecosystems while advancing human development? Experts are developing solutions focused on sustainability. This involves using technology to monitor and preserve habitats. Key innovations include smart agriculture, renewable energy, and conservation tech. Let's take smart agriculture as a prime example. By utilizing sensors and data analytics, farmers can optimize water usage and reduce waste. This ensures healthier crops and a sustainable food supply. Renewable energy technologies are also transforming landscapes. Solar panels and wind turbines harness nature's power, reducing reliance on fossil fuels. These innovations help combat climate change and protect our natural resources. Conservation technology plays an essential role too. Drones and satellite imagery allow real-time monitoring of wildlife and habitats. This data drives informed decisions, ensuring ecosystem protection. As we look to the future, collaboration is crucial. Policymakers, scientists, and communities must work together. By sharing knowledge and resources, we can create resilient ecosystems. In summary, the fusion of technology and nature leads to a sustainable future. We must embrace innovation to protect our planet. Join the movement today. Explore how you can contribute to sustainable solutions in your community. Let's innovate for life on land together.